The Misxi 2-pack hard PC case with tempered glass screen protector is designed for Apple Watch Series 9, Series 8, and Series 7, 45mm. This ultra-thin, scratch-resistant cover provides full protection for your iWatch, safeguarding it against scratches, bumps, and everyday wear. The tempered glass screen protector offers clear visibility and touch sensitivity, while the sleek black design maintains the watch's original look. Easy to install and durable, this case is perfect for keeping your Apple. The 3-in-1 wireless charging station is a fast and efficient desk charger designed to power your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch all at once. It supports iPhone models from the 15 to the 8 Plus, including Pro Max versions, AirPods 3 halves, Pro, and Apple Watch Series 9 through 2. This charging stand offers a tidy and organized solution, perfect for home or office use. Its sleek design not only saves space but also ensures that your devices charge quickly and safely in one convenient location. The Apple Watch Series 9, GPS 41mm, features a sleek midnight aluminum case with a midnight sport loop, offering style and functionality. This advanced smartwatch includes fitness tracking, ECG apps, and an always-on Retina display, making it easy to stay connected and monitor your health. As a carbon-neutral device, it aligns with eco-friendly goals. Ideal for those looking to track their fitness, manage notifications, and enjoy a seamless user experience, this watch blends performance and SUST.
This smartwatch for women is designed for both Android and iPhone users, featuring Alexa built-in for voice control. Its 1.8 touchscreen offers a user-friendly interface, allowing you to easily answer and make calls. With IP68 waterproofing, it's perfect for daily wear, even during workouts or swimming. The watch tracks heart rate, sleep, SpO2, and steps, making it an ideal fitness tracker. With over 100 sport modes, it provides comprehensive health insights while blending style and function. The Grove smartwatch is a stylish and functional accessory designed for both iOS and Android phones. With the ability to answer and make calls, this pink smartwatch keeps you connected on the go. Its IP68 waterproof rating makes it suitable for swimming and daily activities, while the fitness tracker features allow you to monitor heart rate, sleep, steps, and calories. Perfect for women looking for a balance of health tracking and convenience, this smartwatch combines sleek design with practical,